That's fine. Therefore, this is an organization where the members are essentially entrepreneurs. Am I right? And the companies represented, I mean, employees who represent such entrepreneurs, correct? So the question comes to my mind, what do I mean by entrepreneurship? How do I define entrepreneurship? Please feel free, no right, no wrong. I'm asking a very fundamental question. It's an organization for entrepreneurs. This you can answer because this I have not asked in the previous session.
I think entrepreneurship is basically a person who's got a keen eye. He keeps looking around for problems and he solves that problem and makes money out of it.
So
Capitalizes.
a blind person can't become an entrepreneur?
Why not?
Keen eye.
You don't have to see with these eyes.
All right. Just so the lighter side. Okay. So see problems. Look for problems.
Is what I say.
All right. Anybody else? How do you define entrepreneurship? Yeah, please, sir.
Is a blind man.
Really? He wants to see and you say he's a blind man. Great. What a paradox we have. All right. He's a blind man.
He is motivated by his self improvement urge. He wants to succeed. His only formula is success.
Mm-hmm.
So therefore, he doesn't want to see get distracted.
All right. Thank you so much. That's a very interesting perspective. Anybody else? Have you ever thought of this? What is entrepreneurship? We are a part of TiE.
Entrepreneurship is something from what he said. I'll take it forward. Like if I look around, I think all of us want to make a difference. So just not fighting that problem or giving a solution, but also leaving behind something which people can talk about, like a legacy. So we are looking at that. So I think it's just not about the money and fame, but also the impact. As people we can leave behind.
All right.
Not related to success, but related to satisfaction as well.
All right. Not related to success, related to satisfaction as well. Yeah.
Creating something new that will make people's lives better and people will pay for it.
That last portion also is very important. People will pay for it. Mr. Agrawal?